Welcome to Charing Cross, the point from which all distances in London are measured. Here, in just a few steps, you can walk through centuries of history, art, and performance. Let's explore 12 must-see spots that define the spirit of central London. Charing Cross and Strand. Our journey begins at Charing Cross, the historic heart of the city. Once a medieval crossroads, today it's the pulsing link between Westminster and the West End. St. Martin in the Fields. Just ahead stands the Church of St. Martin in the Fields, with its elegant portico and spire piercing the London sky. Inside, you'll find beautiful acoustics, classical concerts, and even a cafe in the crypt, a sanctuary of calm amid the bustle. Trafalgar Square. Step into Trafalgar Square, London's great gathering place. Here, the fountains sparkle under Nelson's gaze, and every protest, parade, and celebration eventually finds its way here. Nelson's Column. Rising high at the square's center is Nelson's Column, a monument to Britain's naval hero, a symbol of courage overlooking the heart of empire.
The National Gallery. On the north side stands the National Gallery, home to over 2,000 masterpieces spanning 6 centuries. Inside, you'll walk among the glowing canvases of Van Gogh, whose sunflowers burst with color and emotion. And Monet, who captured the shimmer of light on water in his Water Lilies and the Thames below Westminster. Every gallery reveals a different mood, from Turner's storms to Da Vinci's calm, a place where paint and imagination meet. It's free to enter, open to all, and forever inspiring.
Theatre District. A short stroll west brings you to the Theatre District, where the lights of London's West End illuminate plays and musicals every night. From Shakespeare to modern hits, the stage is always alive here.
Walk east into Covent Garden, once a humble fruit market, now a hub of shopping, dining, and artistry. Street performers fill the air with music and laughter, London's open-air theatre of everyday life. At its heart is the Apple Market, where local artists and craftsmen display their creations beneath the old arches, a perfect place to find something handmade and memorable. Stay a moment longer for a street magic performance, Londoners' favorite free show. Each act is a reminder that this city thrives on talent at every level.
3, 2, 1, stand up. 3, 2, 1, sit down. Actual magic. Okay, now India, can you face forward for me? No, here, face that.
The British Museum.
A short tube ride away awaits the British Museum, the world's encyclopedia in stone. Here stands the Rosetta Stone, a black basalt slab that unlocked the secrets of ancient Egypt. Its inscriptions, in Greek, Demotic, and hieroglyphs, allowed scholars to decipher a lost language and reconnect us to the voices of pharaohs. Crowds gather quietly around it, awed by how one stone bridged millennia of human understanding. Beyond it, the museum holds treasures from every civilization under one roof.
Among the museum's wonders stands the Nereid Monument, a marble temple from ancient Lycia. Its graceful sea maidens once adorned a tomb near the Aegean, a dialogue between life, art, and eternity.
The Parthenon Galleries. Next, step into the Parthenon Galleries, where ancient Greece comes alive in marble. The pediments, once crowning the temple on the Acropolis, show gods and heroes in timeless motion. The birth of Athena on one side, the contest of Athena and Poseidon on the other. Even in fragments, their energy endures. Muscles tense, drapery flowing, every line alive with divine grace. Nearby, the Metopes, friezes, and the serene Lely Venus recount the perfection of classical art, a dialogue between power and beauty, frozen in stone.
From the stones of Trafalgar to the marbles of the Parthenon, the Charing Cross area captures everything that makes London eternal: art, history, music, and life itself. 12 must-see treasures, all within a single afternoon's walk, a journey through London's timeless heart.